Hey you guys, welcome back to Green Days. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and white smiles. So today's video is all about foundation yoga series which we have started from downward facing dog. If you haven't watched that video yet, make sure you watch that video. So today's video is all about learning cobra pose. So wear something comfy and hop on the yoga mat. So basically Bhujangasana is opposite of what we do every day. Like we are on our computers, mobile phones like this. So Bhujangasana is basically opposite of that. We are going to stretch our back, so it is good for your back pain. It is basically good for your spine and vertebral column. Okay, so there are so many ways to go into Bhujangasana, but we will start from basics. So lie down on your belly. So before going into Bhujangasana, we will start with a little bit of basics, little bit of warm-up, which is called as baby cobra. Okay. So lie down on your belly. The tops of your feet are pressing into the earth very firmly. मैंने ना बहुत लोगों को देखा है भुजंगासन करते वक्त, so their feet are like this. But no, from your top toe to pinky toes, everything pressing firmly into the earth like this. Okay, now your hands are just beside your chest, so you can measure like thumb and chest. Okay, and now elbows hugging to your body like this and shoulders rolling back and lie down like this. Now take a deep breath in, and from here we are gonna lift our upper body like this. Yeah, opening our shoulder, chest, and relax. So this is what we call as baby cobra. So you can check this here. So many people put their whole pressure on these arms and do this. It hurts. So we don't want to do this. Okay, we don't need to put this whole pressure on our hands, because whenever I teach Surya Namaskar, I have seen people doing this. So what they are doing here, they are compressing their spine and just putting whole pressure on their hands. So which is totally wrong. Take your own time and do it properly and correctly. Okay, again, start with baby cobra. Elbows touching to your body, so don't be like this. Okay, always hug your elbows, roll back your shoulder, and from here take a deep breath in. There is no need to overdo this. Okay, just stay here, take a deep breath in. You can check this out. Okay, I'm not putting any pressure here on my arms or hands. Okay, and exhale down. So what we need to do here is we need to press our pelvis into the earth. Do not clench your buttocks too much. Okay, because if we are going to do this, then we are putting too much pressure on our back. So again, one more time. Here, roll down your shoulders, pressing your foundation, and again take a deep breath in. Baby cobra, mama cobra, and here. And again exhale down. One more time. Stay here. If you're feeling comfortable here, then no need to do this. Okay, just stay here. Observe your process, observe your journey, and exhale down. Now again one more time. If you're comfortable enough, do this and exhale down. If you are a big yogi, then you need to keep your feet hip width apart. but if you are flexible enough and if you are, advanced in your yoga practice journey, then you can keep your feet close together. And then do this. Take a deep breath in. And exhale down. Relax. Take 2 or 3 deep breaths. Relax yourself and practice it often. After learning it properly, you can hold this pose for 10 seconds, 20 seconds and 30 seconds and just grow from there. I hope you like this video, and even if you don't like it, then please don't forget to subscribe so that we can bond and build this community of happy and healthy people. So share this video with your friends and see you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading some good vibes and white smiles.
Nobody hurt you like I